Hello and welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today, we are showcasing the true magic of live edge wood furniture and decor where raw nature meets timeless craftsmanship. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a chance to bring more warmth and natural beauty into your home. These pieces aren't just furniture, they are art, sculpted by time and enhanced by hand. From bold statement tables to cozy rustic accents, get inspired by stunning, one-of-a-kind creations that bring warmth, character, and natural elegance into every corner of your home. Let's dive in. When it comes to home decor that brings character, warmth, and a sense of natural beauty, nothing compares to the rustic charm of live edge wood furniture. These stunning pieces, with their organic lines and natural imperfections, are more than just functional items. They are works of art crafted by nature and refined by skilled hands. At Kuki Decor, we celebrate this unique blend of raw texture and refined design. Live edge furniture is made by preserving the original lines of a tree's edge, keeping the curves, knots, and textures visible, rather than cutting them into smooth, uniform shapes. This means that every piece, whether it's a table, bench, shelf, or decorative accent, tells its own story. Each grain pattern, each bark inclusion, and each edge is a visual reminder of the tree's natural history, and this authenticity is what makes live edge wood decor so desirable in modern rustic interiors. One of the most captivating elements of live edge wood furniture is its ability to bridge two worlds, the wild and the refined. The untouched, organic edge of the wood brings in the raw essence of nature, while thoughtful craftsmanship introduces elegance and structure. A live edge dining table, for instance, becomes the focal point of a room, drawing in both admiration and conversation. Its irregular contours provide a soft, flowing contrast to otherwise straight-lined modern spaces, making it perfect for anyone wanting to add warmth and personality to their interiors. These tables are especially popular in open-concept homes, farmhouses, and minimalist modern environments where the furniture itself is meant to serve as a visual anchor. Live edge wood isn't limited to tables. Shelving units, coffee tables, sideboards, consoles, and even bed frames can all benefit from the beauty of these natural edges. Wall-mounted live edge shelves offer a subtle yet impactful design choice, perfect for showcasing books, plants, pottery, or other treasured items. When paired with black iron or matte metal brackets, the rustic meets industrial look comes alive. Likewise, a live edge headboard adds a cozy, grounded feel to a bedroom, infusing it with the calm energy of the forest. Even small touches, like a live edge mirror frame or bench in an entryway, can transform a simple space into a warm, welcoming corner. What makes these pieces even more valuable is their sustainability. Many live edge wood slabs are sourced from salvaged trees, fallen due to storms, disease, or urban development. Rather than being discarded or burned, the wood is rescued, kiln-dried, and shaped into lasting art. This form of eco-conscious design not only honors the natural beauty of the wood, but also promotes mindful consumption. Another key appeal of live edge decor is its versatility. These pieces fit effortlessly into a wide range of design styles. In rustic interiors, they complement stone, exposed beams and vintage accessories beautifully. In industrial spaces, they soften hard lines and metallic tones, adding texture and warmth. In modern or minimalist homes, they serve as sculptural elements, giving a space depth without overwhelming it. Even bohemian, eclectic, or Scandinavian-inspired homes can benefit from a live edge piece. It's all about how you pair it with your existing elements. The natural tones of walnut, oak, cedar, acacia, and maple provide a palette that can blend or contrast as desired, depending on the finish and base materials chosen. Customization is another major draw for live edge furniture lovers. No two slabs are the same, so when you choose or commission a piece, you're not just buying furniture, you're selecting a canvas. You can choose the wood species, the thickness of the slab, the type of finish, matte, glossy, or oil rubbed, and even the legs or base, whether it's raw steel, modern hepburn, rustic trestle, or reclaimed wood blocks. This allows you to tailor each piece to fit your space, your function, and your taste perfectly. In terms of emotional resonance, there is something deeply grounding about live edge wood furniture. In our modern lives filled with screens, schedules, and synthetic materials, the presence of raw, unaltered nature brings calm and presence. It reminds us of forests, slow growth, and natural cycles. Sitting at a live edge table can feel like a reconnection with nature, even in the middle of a city. Many homeowners and designers choose these pieces not just for their aesthetic value, but for the atmosphere they help create, earthy, balanced, and authentic. Care for live edge wood is also relatively simple. Because these pieces are often sealed with durable finishes, they resist wear and stains, while still preserving the beauty of the wood. Regular dusting and the occasional oiling, especially for unfinished or oil-rubbed pieces, keep them looking fresh. Their durability ensures that they not only serve as everyday furniture, but become heirlooms, passed down and cherished for generations. At Kuki Decor, we believe that home should be a sanctuary, a reflection of the beauty that exists in the natural world. That's why we love featuring live edge wood decor and furniture, because it speaks to both the soul and the senses. Every ripple in the grain, every undulating edge, is a quiet celebration of nature's artistry. Whether you're furnishing a whole room or simply adding a touch of rustic elegance, live edge pieces offer a design statement that's bold, timeless, and deeply human. Live edge wood furniture is more than just a trend. It's a design philosophy rooted in appreciation for natural form and handcrafted beauty. It represents a harmonious blend of rustic tradition and modern refinement. By choosing live edge pieces, you're bringing nature into your home in its most authentic form. You're also investing in durability, sustainability, and a unique story carved into every grain. If you're inspired by what you've seen today, don't forget to explore more of Kuki Decor's ideas and creations. Whether you're starting small with a shelf or going bold with a dining table, Rustic Elegance is just a live edge away. Thanks for watching Rustic Elegance. unique and stunning live-edge wood furniture, and decor ideas. If these organic designs sparked your imagination, check out our other videos filled with creative wood decor ideas. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a fresh drop of inspiration. Until next time, stay creative and stay inspired with Kuki Decor.